How to fix Instagram story mention problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, open Instagram and make sure that when you are mentioning someone, you are entering the exact username, and if not, then use the exact username in order to be able to mention them. Also, make sure that not to add any extra spaces before or after mentioning their name, and the username must appear in white. And if it is not appearing, then there might be a issue. So, in order to fix that, in Instagram again, tap on your profile on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, tap on the tags and mention option you see there and make sure the radio button for Allow Mentions from Everyone is selected under the Who Can @mention you tab, and if not, then select that particular option. And if it is set to no one, then your mention will not work. The next fix is open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update Instagram. Also, if it is not fixed, then open Instagram again and then tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and restart your iPhone and log back in, and your issue should have been fixed. If not, open Settings and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here navigate to Instagram and then tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application and will not delete any of the files and folders in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can go ahead and check that if you were restricted by that particular person or if you're blocked by the person, as if you have been restricted or blocked, then you will not be able to mention them. And if you're still not being able to mention using the same method, then go to the story interface and then tap on the sticker icon you see there and then tap on the mention option and try using this particular method to mention them instead of using the normal text mention and see if that helps, as this often works when text mentions fails. And if it is still not working, then it could be that Instagram server is down, so you might need to wait for the server to work properly in order to be able to mention the user. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram story mention problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.